and good evening to the viewers. My name is Adam Haris bin Ismail. So today we will discuss how important is to maintain safety when we in the lab. This is because anything could happen when we do activity that involves using the lab. For example, we could get electrocuted if we don't use the right equipment. So let's find out what we should do to be safe in the lab. First of all, make sure you already read the rules in the lab for your own safety and other safety. The most important thing is we should have first aid in the lab for the first help.
Step 1. Turn off the power supply. Make sure the resistor is not connected to a power circuit. This ensures safety and accurate readings. Step 2. Set the multimeter to ohm mode. Choose the appropriate range such as 1, 10 or 1K ohm depending on the expected resistance value. 3. Calibrate 0 adjustment. Touch both probes together. Adjust the 0 ohm adjust knob until the needle point to 0. Step 4. Measure the resistance. Touch the red and black probes to the resistor's terminals. The needle reading on the ohm scale
multimeter is electrical measurement used to test various parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance. It is essential to the electrical and electronic work as it helps use determine an attitude value of a component or circuit. To use a multimeter, currently one must understand the function to part, how to select the appropriate to measurement range, and how to connect to probes properly. In addition, the ability to calculate and interpret reading from the multimeter display is important to execute a correct and safe measurement. How to I get a resistance range. For information, I use a manual calculation to get an answer. As you can see, this is how I measure resistance.
Conclusion of using a multimeter. Using a multimeter is essential in electrical and electronic work as it allows user to measure voltage, current and resistance accurately. It helps in troubleshooting circuit, checking component condition and ensuring safety in electrical system. With proper usage and safety precaution, a multimeter becomes a reliable tool for student, technician and engineer in diagnosing and maintaining electrical equipment.